5,000 versus 25,000 staycation. Parehong Manila. Parehong luxury daw. But sobrang magkaiba. Today, tignan natin. Sulit ba talaga yung 5 times na presyo? Or sayang lang? Unahin natin ang budget option. The Bellamy House. Around 5,000 per night. Mukhang simple lang, but may hidden surprise dito. Then we compare it with iconic The Peninsula Manila. Around 25,000 for a suite. Ito na yung classic luxury sa Manila. But is it still worth it today? Pagpasok mo sa Bellamy House, minimal, modern, malinis. Hindi siya flashy, but surprisingly cozy. Yung room, compact pero functional. May small kitchen, seating area, and enough space para sa chill staycation. Pero ito yung catch. Hindi siya luxury in the traditional sense. Walang grand lobby. Walang wow factor. Pero for 5,000, parang sinabi mo, okay na to ah. This is the kind of place na pang practical, pang content, or pang quick escape without breaking the bank. Now, stepping into a completely different world. The Peninsula Manila. From the moment you walk in, grand lobby, live music, marble floors. Ramdam mo agad yung luxury. The suite, ibang level. Separate living room, spacious bedroom, premium flashes. This is not just a stay. This is an experience. But here's the real question. Is it 5 times better than Bellamy House? Let's break it down. For 5,000, you get comfort, function, and value. For 25,000, you get space, prestige, and experience. Pero kung tulugan lang, honestly, pareho lang kayo makakatulog. The difference is, how do you feel during the stay? If you're after content, relaxation, or budget travel, Bellamy House is more than enough. Pero kung special occasion, or you want that wow feeling, the Peninsula hits different. Hindi siya about kung alin ang mas maganda. It's about kung ano yung hinahanap mo. So, 5,000 or 25,000, Alin ang pipiliin mo? Comment below. Team budget or team luxury? And if you want more real staycation comparisons like this, subscribe. Marami pa tayong iti-test.